Hello, welcome. My name is Brendan O'Dowd, BD2283, and this is my second deliverable for the software engineering assignment. Now, I want to start off with my database, make sure I'm in database development mode. Now, so let's have our test database here. My scheme is tables. So I've got three tables: a customer, a user, and a review. My user table's got a password, username, last name, first name, and an ID. My review table has a description, a rating, hotel name, and a review ID. Let me just show you that review table right here. I've only got small one, just a few reviews for the start software, just to display them out to the user. So I've got 4 different hotels, different ratings, and different reviews. Your primary key or ID. Now this does run. Execute all. Started and succeeded. There we go. So drop table created, create table, inserts, and all working fine. Now, so we can get out of Java development mode. Let me go into Java EE. There's the Enterprise Edition. Sorry, my Eclipse is terrible on my laptop. Now, so log in that HTML. We'll run it from here. And I'll show you my files first. So, come on, Lear review.jsp. This is after I've logged in. The user can leave a review on the web app. So show reviews, leave reviews. There's 2 different buttons. And you go back page as well, just in case. Java resources now. I've been at this for 2 weeks now. Over. It's drained me physically and mentally, this assignment. Everything I can. So I open up all my packages here. I've implemented the user one, and I've just added on then some of my own controllers and served because it was just work like that. So I'll run from the login page now. But it's painful slow. Run add, run server. Here we go. I'm so sick, so I've started to head for this. No, ridiculous. Now grants the server is running and brings us to our login HTML page. Has it now. So if there's a table, I created my own credentials, my own name, so it's going to enter them now. Oh, Dale Brendan, my password is 100%, please. Okay, now hello Brendan, so it's got my name for my username and my password using that function, so we're happy about that. And this users can view my profile, that's just the ones from Lab 6 implemented anyway. So I've added extra on my own to leave review. So I've got 2 buttons here. I've got show previous reviews and leave a review yourself. So to go back page, it just brings us back again. This just shows our breadcrumbs of how we got here. Show previous reviews. See, now that's just crashes up all 5,000 trying to fix this now. There's different errors all the time. The front controller, my controller, command factory. I have them all linking to each other and fix it in one and you can tell about another one. It's just, I'm sorry, it's just, no. Oh my god. Okay, not respond. Oh, it's quick, not good. It's back now. User DAO. No, I've got my own. So reviews. Go through my users. Hotel the chat. Put this here. So I've tried to make it conform to my original use case, but I didn't realize that I didn't have a DAO in my or command factory or servlet in my use case, and once I went to implement, I really realized that, and I just thought it was a simple use case we had to do, but you know, after thinking about it, actually running through this, I've got a much better understanding of how this all works. It's just a lot better. Right. So it does work with it now. It does go through each of the steps and passes it back from the database, back to the user. The hotel field. So I've got my, yeah, let's leave it there, thanks.